Here we are with yet another edition of Smelly's Kitchen, and right now we're browning up some beef. This is some 96.4 Piedmontese lean ground beef. 100 grams of protein per thing. 100 grams, 200 grams right there. 15 grams of fat per. And we're gonna dump this bitch in there right here. This sauce. Probably gonna use about half of this. You can see the amount of carbohydrates on here. So there will be some carbs in here. There'll be a little bit of calories in here. But this is a carnivore meal and a half right here, I think. A good way to mix it up and have something a little different. You can dump some cheese on it as well, although I recommend only dumping the cheese on at the very end. I'll show you how I do it. Show you how we make up this carnivore Italian meal. Here we go. I got some of this here, real salt, garlic salt. Gonna dump some of this on here. It's gonna have plenty of salt in it anyway when you get that sauce on there, but frying this up, gonna brown it. Then I'm gonna smash it with this thing. And then we're gonna dump the tomato sauce on there and we'll be done. All right, that's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna start to do this job here. You could just throw this in here as like ground beef too, but this is just kind of the way I like to do it. But remember, there's no rules in Smelly's Kitchen. You do stuff the way that you like it, and you do it to your taste buds. So if you wanted to throw hot sauce in here or something, or you wanted to throw more Italian seasoning in here, then you could easily go for it. Throw more garlic in here, whatever you like. That meat is looking pretty damn good. Getting that sizzle on it. And now we're gonna crank the heat up here. So just crank her up. Crank the heat of that thing up. And get the pan a little hotter. Because once we dump this in there, it's gonna kind of cool everything down. But I want this to get kind of grizzled in there. And here we go, cranking up the heat. I used really lean ground beef in this one, but sometimes I'll do half of a really lean ground beef and half of like a 85-15, and that way it gives it a little bit more flavor, a little bit more pap. All right, time to add that sauce. Here we go, adding the sauce. This is the sauce I buy. You can get whatever sauce that you prefer, whatever one you like. Let's see how that looks. That's probably about half. That's a good amount on there. Kind of slursk it around a little bit. Get that sauce on there. That slursk. We need that slursk. That slursk can be so good. Slursk. Making my mouth water. Mix it around. Try not to get the splatter all over the place. Don't want to make a big old mess. But look, man. Carnivore meal in 10 minutes or less. This was super easy. Super simple, and you can make it a little more complicated if you want. I'm gonna let it heat up. I'm gonna dump some cheese on it at the end, and that's gonna be it. Bon appetit. Going to scoop her out with this green spoon here so I can get that sauce up. A solid spoon. Well, bam. Throw some of that in the bowl. Whoop, whoop. And all we're gonna do is add some cheese and we'll be done-ski. Look at that flame going. All that steam. Oh my God. Wow. How about one more scoop, huh? Who are we kidding? Let's be honest with ourselves here. We need to get this. We need to get after it. There we go. Whew. There we go. Wha-bam. Got some raw cheese right here. Gonna dump on that pile. So do it one-handed. Get that on there. Get it melty. It'll melt in there real nice in just a few minutes. Look at that. There's our Italian carnivore meal, ready to rock and roll. I don't know how intriguing it is to sit there and watch me eat, but I don't think I've really filmed myself taking a bite of some of this stuff. So just to show you guys I don't die from it. Here goes. Yep. Tastes wonderful. In the comments below, let me know your favorite recipe. Put it down below so other people can copy your favorite carnivore recipe, that is. Catch you guys later.